At first it was cold, and now I feel like they're feeling chilly because of the rain. I wonder if this is good for their health. It might also be difficult to cut the fodder, as the lower field is already flooded, but we have to act quickly. The rain could continue for 3 more days. In the coming days, people here will have a lot of difficulty because there's already too much water accumulated in this area. Before the rain, it was very hot here, but now the kids are enjoying it because of the weather. However, it can also be dangerous as it may lead to many illnesses. This is a dog that is now 9 months old and it's coming towards me. It really loves the rain. Nothing can be seen in the whole village. It feels like everyone is still sleeping. It's early morning and it's already 7 o'clock. My breakfast. I've made my food and now I'm about to eat it. I'm recording this video from Pakistan. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching this video from. And if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.